Welcome to another Electra tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to learn about symbols in Electra. Let's start with placing a symbol on your drawing. Drag a symbol from a stencil and place it onto your drawing. Whenever you place a symbol on your drawing, make sure that the blue alignment box of the symbol is aligned to the grid lines at about 100 and 133% zoom. Once you have placed a symbol, right-click on the symbol for more options. Symbols in Electra can assume multiple forms. For instance, you can right-click on a motor symbol and choose either 3 or 6 terminals. If you place a true beam sensor on your drawing, you can right-click and select plug and socket connections or terminal connections. So whenever you drop a symbol onto your drawing, make sure to right-click and explore more options. There would be times you will find a need to duplicate symbols in your drawing. To duplicate, click on the symbol you want and press the Control key while dragging and dropping to create an identical symbol before releasing the Control key. So once you have placed a symbol on your drawing, you will notice that all symbols has 2 text portions. The first text portion refers to the symbol's reference, whereas the other refers to the symbol's description. A symbol reference is normally a name or a number that uniquely identifies a particular symbol. On the other hand, the symbol description describes the symbol's usage in the drawing. Let's check out this example. This contactor symbol has a reference of C1, and the description will be main motor or any other description that you may deem fit in your drawing. Next, we're going to learn how to edit symbol reference and description. To edit the symbol reference, simply select the symbol and type in your changes here. We select the symbol C1 and change it to MC1. But to edit the symbol description, first select the symbol by clicking on it. Then click again on the symbol description and type in your changes. Here, we click on the symbol and then click on the description. Then I type to change it to pump motor. If you would like to add another reference, double-click on a symbol. Then use the Edit Reference window to change your reference and description. Alternatively, right-click on a symbol and select that reference to access the same window. Let's have a look at the Edit Reference window. At the top left corner of the window, you will see the current symbol's name and reference. Below, you will see text boxes where you can change the symbol's reference. Use the spin buttons on the right to quickly increase or decrease the symbol's reference. Further below are real-time cross-reference information. Click on any references here to see its location. Right-click on the location to see the actual symbol on your drawing. If there are too many symbols, you just can select to filter symbols by pages or symbol types. To insert a reference into a list of existing references, click the Insert button to assign a component to a symbol. And that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you catch the next part of our tutorial. Thank you for watching.